Hey guys, silverGameOfThrone is here. How are you doing today? Happy New Year! Almost there, right? Almost in 2021. So what is this video today? So, my channel is mostly tangible assets, like a gold, silver, copper. But I was also doing, some videos about crypto. Why? Because as I told you, I'm software developer and part of my job to work with blockchains. So I know this from inside, because I'm working this on a daily basis. So I know, but I didn't talk much about this, but last days I see so many people are jumping into crypto, so I want to share with you my knowledge. So probably it will help you, to make more money and to lose less money, Everyone want to make money and, and do not lose money, right? Yeah, okay. Yeah, someone want to lose, not to make, okay? It's up to you. What are your preferences? So as I started these videos, especially talking about good coins, right? Because there are good coins and bad coins. So as you see in my channel, let's say this is my channel, you see 510 people, Zcash. And another video I did to almost 200 Zcash. So I see, a lot of interest to, to all this, special coins, like BTC, Bitcoin, BCH, BSV, LTC, Zcash, Monero, Dash. What is special about these coins? Why they are different? This is what I want to talk, okay? I want to talk so it will be more clear for you guys. So next time you'll not ask me, should I invest into some token or not? Okay, just listen. This is a lot of very interesting information I accumulated here. Okay, so why? This is what I will be talking about coins and mostly about Zcash. But all these coins which I mentioned here, Bitcoin, BCH. And BSV, LTC, Zcash, there is a common thing between them, okay? And this is what are common things, the pros and cons and conclusion, okay? So first of all, when you talk about crypto, as I always say, silver, gold, no need any brain. Just click a button, buy it, that's it. But crypto need a lot of brain, guys, okay? So here I am here, I try to help you, what kind of brain you need, okay? So first of all, when we talk about crypto, you need to choose reliable cryptocurrency exchange. That's a Coinbase, okay? Coinbase, when buying, for example, Zcash, it's related to anything, but I mostly will be talking about Zcash. Why it's so important? Because if you buy, some exchange, which will freeze your money, so what's the point, right? It will be secure. So mostly, if you US, I suggest you go buy from Coinbase. It's a very reliable and very secure, and trust me, this is one of the best, okay? Even their security sometimes is annoying, right? You need to wait 1 week to take your money, but trust me, it's better than sorry, okay? Better be like this than sorry, okay? When, someone will, take your crypto and run. So it's very important. Second, security. Zcash uses zero knowledge protocol, proof protocol. Okay, it's very interesting protocol, and I know even JP Morgan, try to establish some, some relationship with Zcash. I don't know what they know, but it's a very reliable protocol, one of most reliable protocol. Okay. So when it's also, when you use a nice protocol, your network is grow, right? You have stable network, transactions are fast, and this why, by the way, this why it's so popular, okay? Don't look on the, on price, look on popularity. If you look on a volume, I already show you, right? The volume, why Zcash, now it's a low volume, 300. Usually it's no less than 500 million. Okay, last day is low volume, I told you. So we are before a big jump. So, low, 500 million volume. Why it's so low? Why it's so good volume? Because people trust Zcash. Because Zcash in 5-6 years on the market, it's already proven. It's already proven technology. People know that I can trust Zcash. And trust me, last day I was buying, I was watching, and it's like literally takes seconds, okay? You buy it, you move it, especially small transaction like 1, 5, 1, 2, 3 Zcash, and it's like literally take like seconds, okay, and you get it, okay. It's very fast and very reliable, and people like it. This why people, and you can send money all around the world, okay, cheap. Like a Litecoin also, it's another, very, very reliable, very trustable, point of exchange, and you can send money all over the world. That's why people like Zcash. That's why people, it's grown popularity. Okay, so yeah. Second, you need to store your coin. Okay, now I talk about this. When you store your coin, the Ledger Nano or Trezor. Okay. I do not suggest to store your coin on PC, on your phone, okay, because they are not safe, guys. Like if you talk about safety, most safety we have in a paper wallet, okay, and then some hardware wallet, which you basically put on some hard drive and just disconnect and forget. Number 3, and it is the cold wallets, like a Ledger Nano or Trezor. Why I especially like cold wallets, and most people like cold wallets, because they have interfaces, very friendly interfaces. So you can be safe, and you also have friendly interface when you need. Okay, so this is why cold wallet are so popular. Okay, and cold wallet don't store many coins. Okay, they can store all this coin. I think Monero only cannot store. And the Zcash is one of them. So you can directly store on cold wallet. It's very important, I told you, because, you need to buy it like a gold, store. You have vault with gold, If your vault is open, so what's the point, right? Anyone can come and take your gold, okay? This is the same here. Okay, so I'm telling you, PC wallet, phone wallets, they are not safe, guys, okay? They're kind of, as far as you have your money there, it's better to move them on some more, cold wallet or paper wallet or the hardware wallet, okay? Money process, I mentioned this, money process, they have very stable network. The zero knowledge proof protocol they use. They also use ASICs, they not only ASICs, they can use CPU or GPU to mine Zcash. They are much cheaper than Zcash, so anyone can mine Zcash, and this is just, just a help, because as more people mine Zcash, as more network we have, as more network, as more easy, to process transactions, okay? Because if you don't have network, if you, let's say, you buy some coin and then you wait 1 hour, then it's useless, right? Everyone want to do it fast, everyone want to do it cheap, and that's why Zcash is so popular, okay? So proof of work, not proof of stake, okay? This is another thing why I like all these coins, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, BSV, because they are all proof of work. In compare to tokens, which are proof of stake. So next time, guys, please don't ask me, so should I invest into this token, yes or not? Tokens are proof of stake. They are not proof of work, means tokens are fiat. Proof of work means you need to spend some electricity to mine your coin. When you spend some electricity, it has some value built inside. It's the same as you go and mine silver and gold. That's why I like this tangible asset, silver, gold, because you cannot print from thin air like we print dollar. You need to go and literally you need to dig the land. You need to to use these excavators, big machine, to take this silver, from the land, to all this process. It's a heavy machinery process, right? It's the same with all these coins. Proof of work, you need to spend a lot of electricity. For example, Bitcoin probably $4,000-5,000 today to mine 1 Bitcoin. To spend electricity, the cost of electricity, what I have, why the value of this coin is so so high. Proof of stake, what is proof of stake? As far as you can prove that you own some of these tokens, and you already make more tokens, right? Like Ethereum, they try to do another proof of stake, where, you know, if you own like 10,000, I don't remember how many, but 10 or 20,000 ECH, then, you know, you just make more this Ethereums, you know. So you don't need to mine anything. You just need to prove that you own some of these tokens, okay? It's like a fiat, you know, and also they don't have any limit. Proof of work, for example, another thing I want to show you, calculation supply. It's very important, okay? And someone, thank you very much, he mentioned this. If you talk about calculation supply, look here where we are, let's say, with Bitcoin. Bitcoin, gold, Bitcoin, SV, somewhere Bitcoin. You see, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV. Why this coin are so popular? Why this coin have, you know, so high value? Because they have limited supply, guys. Limited supply. If you have limited supply, that means your coin will have value, right? Look here, all my brothers, Bitcoin SV, Bitcoin Cash, Monero, Bitcoin Gold, it's also not bad. Zcash is here, even less, it's 10,000. Dash, even 9,000. You see what I'm talking about? You see what I'm talking about? Yeah, financial, they also go, last days it go up because it's only 30,000 has it. Limited supply is very important, okay? In compared to all these tokens, you know, which has billions and billions and billions and billions and can print it to infinity, okay, guys? You know, this is advantage when you have your supply is limited. Okay, so halving process. So what is halving process? Every 4 years, they reduce inflation. Halving process divided by 2. Here I want to show you one table, okay? So this is a table for Bitcoin, and you can go and look on my Bitcoin, Bitcoin to 1 million is what I try to show you. And here the table I built for Zcash. This is not complete yet. I am still working on this, but as you see, in 2016, block reward for Bitcoin was dropped on 2 to 12.5. This time when Zcash was launched, and it was launched somewhere in October, and block reward they started from 6.25. Why? Because they wanted to reach Bitcoin. They wanted to, kind of be on the same level as Bitcoin, okay? And in next 4 years, they minted 10 millions, okay? You know that today is 10.5 millions, okay? So why it's 10? Because actually the block, they produce block every 75 seconds, 1 minute 25 seconds. So it's supposed to be like around 2 million, but they mined 10 million. Why? Because I understand they use some protocol which allows them to mine much faster, you know, because they want it to be more popular. So they minted it first 4 years, they minted 10.5 million Zcash, okay? So now the inflation is dropped twice, so it was a halving somewhere in October, November, and this halving they basically dropped on 2. So now around 3, only 3 in every block, 3 Zcash for every block, which is very low, by the way, you know, it's very low. It's on the same level as a Bitcoin, you know. They try to establish the same level as a Bitcoin to grow, so popularity can grow and inflation can be less, okay? So this is one of the keys, you know, the halving is the key because you have less inflation, so your coin is, more in demand, like a Bitcoin today, right? Okay, so halving process. So limited calculation supply, again, it will be limited. It is in code 25 million. You cannot make more than 25 million, you know. It's very important, guys. If you can, print it to infinity, then, what's the point? Like all this XRP or, other tokens. Privacy, send and receive file anonymously, which is exactly what Zcash can do. Here I give you 2 transactions. Okay, I want to show you why it is anonymous transaction. You see, this is a Bitcoin example. You see, wallet, send 1 file Bitcoin to wallet, on merchant, So you can see all details here. You see, you can see wallet address from and to, and here I show you the Zcash transaction. You see wallet XXX, send XXX to wallet XXX. This is what is going to public blockchain, okay? This is why Zcash is anonymous, because on public blockchain you will not see who sent and to whom sent and how much was sent. Okay, this is, you know, this is a privacy of Zcash. You know, and this is why Zcash, you know, by Edward Stollen, he mentioned that Zcash is a privacy, has all this privacy. Okay, so this is what makes Zcash truly private, untraceable, you know, blockchain. Because, but it has option. It has option to do like this or to do like this. Okay, it has two options. It can be, you know, can be private or it can be public. Okay, so it can, you know, it has two options, Zcash, which is also good. You want privacy, you know, send it like this. You want publicity, send it like this. Okay. So Zcash processes the transaction much quicker than Bitcoin. It's also more scalable. Scalability is what is important. This is why Dash is so popular, because Dash can do scalability much faster even than Zcash. I remember Zcash can do probably 2 minutes, you know, to confirm, and Dash is doing literally like couple of seconds, you know. This is why Dash is so popular. But, you know, in the end of the day, you need scalability is also very important, but more important is security. Means like, I send it, I want to be sure that I send it, even if it take a little bit more time than I need. But, you know, the security is more important. This is how I see it. Okay. So yeah, it sent much quicker than Bitcoin. It's scalable. Bitcoin need like 10 minutes, and Zcash probably need couple of minutes, but to confirm transaction. So just like Bitcoin, all the silver authorized control Zcash. It is decentralized. You know, this is why again and again and again I repeat, all tokens are, most of tokens, they are centralized, because they are not proof of work, they are proof of stake. Okay, and you know, I make this 1 billion tokens, and I centralize them. Okay, I can change the number of these tokens. I can reduce, I can increase, I can even take out this token from your wallet. You understand, like a XRP. It's very dangerous, guys. It's very dangerous. So it's the same. You play this game, but you are not owner of this game. You don't hold it. You don't own it. How many times we need to repeat it? It's the same. Okay, so it is decentralized, so no one can take Zcash from your wallet. You know, once you put it there and you disconnect it from a network, it's your, guys. It never go away. As far as you have internet, you can access this. Allow people to send receive funds quickly, cheaply, most important, privately. Okay, again, this is what I show you here. You can send it privately, or you can have publicity. It's up to you, but it's so flexible, right? Zcash team hopes that one day it become a global payment system. Yeah, I don't know if it will come through, because there are so many other, you know, good coins like Dash. So they hope it will use around the world, and it will be alternative to bank system. So many coins in this area, right? All this what I mentioned, they try to establish this. They try to establish it because this is specially designed for money transferring. Money transferring, okay? In compared to other like tokens. Tokens, they are not for money transferring. They are mostly, they say it, you know, like XRP for money transferring, you know, but in the end of the day, we all see how it is, you know. They have problem with security and all this. But these coins are really decentralized, you know, project to transfer your money. And it's good that we have so many, right? It's good. You want Litecoin, use Litecoin. You want Zcash, you want Monero on the dark web, you use Monero, use Dash, you know. It's good that we have possibilities, you know, different possibilities. Not like I only use Bitcoin and it is heavy, it is expensive, you know, but I don't have any choices. We have many choices. This is good. Okay, Zcash system able to confirm a new block every 75 seconds. Yeah, this is what I already mentioned. It's much quicker than Bitcoin. It normally takes 10 minutes, okay? I talk about this, I mentioned this. 10 minutes is so slow, and here we have 75 seconds. This is one of its advantages, right? Zcash platform much cheaper. Fees are very low. Yeah, this is really, I impressed. You know, it's like it costs like cents to send Zcash. And last day I pay attention a little bit more expensive, but still it's cheap. You know, it maybe, you know, cents. It's very, very low. If you compare Bitcoin, I remember in 2007 it cost like almost $30, you know, to send Bitcoin. I don't know how much now today. I didn't, you know, I didn't buy and didn't sell any Bitcoin last year at all, you know. But Zcash is really very cheap. You can try and you can see you will be impressed how cheap it is. Mining, you know, I already mentioned this. In compared to ASIC, you know, which are very expensive, you can mine on CPU and GPU, and this is very, very powerful, guys, because you know, the network, what is hold, you know, good value for Zcash. What are the cons? What are the cons? So we are talking about pros, okay, and what are the cons? So, you know, we have potential issue with criminal activity on dark web, right? Because this is coin are privacy, right? This is coin are privacy coin, so you can basically like a Monero, right? So you can use it on dark web and no one can trace it. So there is a possibility that it can be trouble with the securities, okay? But as far as I know, because they developed two ways, you know, to transfer it, they have very good relation with security, and this is what they sell it on Gemini. I know Gemini exchange use it, and also a lot of exchanges, you know, go check it out. And Coinbase also use it. It's telling us that it's a good coin. So they have rewards for developers, right? No one like it. Like, I don't remember exactly how much, but it was like 20%, 8%. They have this reward. So, you know, the miners are not getting all rewards. They're getting like 80%, you know. But I see it as a positive sign. Why? Because we need developers, you know. If developers will not be paid, how you can keep this product, you know, alive? Developers need to be paid, you know. So they send some funds when they mine. When they mine from every block, they send some files to developers, okay? And I already mentioned this, 625 transactions per second. Dash can process transaction much quicker. So Zcash is not the best, you know, not the best scalable coin, but it's very good and very popular. So what is conclusion here, okay? Conclusion related to Zcash and related to all my friends, okay? Guys, the big difference between coin and between token is a proof of work and proof of stake, okay? What I mentioned already. You need to spend energy, so this coin has value. In compared to proof of stake, it has only value as far as you believe in this. Like a fiat, right? We believe in fiat, it has a value. Tomorrow we will not believe in fiat, you know, like a Zimbabwe, it will have zero value, okay? Compared to proof of work, it has value because you spend money on this, okay? You spend money on silver, on gold to mine it. You spend money on all this coin to mine it. And even they are digital, not a tangible asset, still, you know, it has value built inside. Coin has value which is built inside, okay? This is why it's so popular. Then supply, you know, you always need to look for a coin with a limited supply. Storage, you need a coin which you can safety, which you have safety, you can save it on your cold wallets, okay? It's very important because you know, you don't want to have some tokens on your wallet and then so you see your wallet is empty, okay? This is one of the first thing to do, you know, to safety, right? Scalability, you know, it should be very scalable, you know, because if it's not scalable, it will take forever to run it, okay? Decentralized, private, you know, all these features are very important, guys. And, you know, when you look, you know, which project to put, and project which has a lot of exchanges, projects which are popular, right? Like a Litecoin. You see, why Litecoin is going up today? Guys, tell me, why Litecoin is so popular today, right? Because Litecoin is one of the oldest coin. Yeah, together with Bitcoin, right? They always were together. They always, move together, Bitcoin up, Bitcoin down, that kind of brother, you know. That's why I say gold and silver, you know. Popularity is very important, okay. That's why, you know, Zcash is always good, also good, because it is very popular, you know. 300 million even today, which is the lowest, you know, volume I see. It's very popular, guys. It's very powerful, okay. Just, you know, remember what I say one day. Okay, so conclusion, guys. You know, as I say, silver, gold, no need any brain. Just click on button and you buy it, okay? Crypto need a brain, so do your research, okay? Be cool, guys. Especially now in Age of Aquarius, you know, when all this bullshit, you know, it's go away, you know, and we are more clear, you know, what we need, what are real values, okay? So these are real values, guys. I try to show you the real values, not a junk, not a garbage, but something which has value. And as gold and silver has tangible value, the coins, the best crypto coins, they also have values, because people spend some, you know, some money to mine it, okay? You spend some energy, you know, to mine it, okay? That's why they are popular. That's why they will be more popular. That's why, you know, they will take SWIFT system, I believe. You know, the SWIFT system, international system, will go away. And Bitcoin probably, or Zcash, or Monero, Dash, everyone, you know, in his subject, in his domain, will be very active, and time will show us. But you know, be positive. Try to invest into some project which have future. Okay, you know, don't look into greed and fear. Okay, greed and fear, it's temporary. You know, it's like a zeta, right? It's go up, it's temporary. Like tomorrow it will go down. You make some profits, good for you, excellent. I'm telling you, you make profit in all these tokens is excellent. But in the end of the day, what is important? What kind of value left with you, right? What kind of value you own, right? Not what kind of value you have on some exchange, right? So this is what is important, guys. So try to use the project which has a long history, established project, and you know, a project which on a long term, you know, will have a bright future. Okay. So this silverGameOfThrone was with you, you know, talking about best crypto, where one of them is Zcash. Okay, put your comments, subscribe, like, okay, give a push to my channel, and I love you all, and Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year. Bye.